Hi again, folks. Finally got the aircraft hangar sorted out. I think I've got 12 of the aircraft hanging on the walls around here now. Little cub there. The ones that you see flat against the walls are all on the hooks now. That's the X-Fly 1800mm twin otter. Standing on a couple of boxes of other aeroplanes there. As you see, it's pretty well sorted. All hung on the wall, out of the way. And a nice little bit of room to walk through here. So I'll get to the ones that I didn't have obviously room for on the walls, but they're just stacked up gently against each other like that. So I'll get to all the aircraft very easily now. There you are, folks. That's the aircraft hangar all sorted out.